Hey friends, what is the most important organ in human body? Yes, you are right. That is human mind. Human mind is so powerful. Whatever we have in our life today is just because of human mind. Because human mind had thought about it and then we created it. Whatever, take it as electricity, take it as a mobile phone or whatever technology that you are using. That started from human mind. When this human mind is so powerful, are we using this human mind completely? No. Let me tell you why this is happening. I am Narendra. I am an NLP master trainer as well as life coach. During my journey of life, I read a lot of books. I understood about this subconscious mind because the conscious mind works only on 5%, whereas 95% the work is done by your subconscious mind. Are we really sure how our subconscious mind works? Let's understand. You have Aladdin and you have Genie. Who is so powerful? Genie. But Aladdin has to give instructions to Genie. Then only the Genie is going to function. The same way, the conscious mind, which is only 5%, it has to guide, it has to give its thoughts to the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind started working from the birth. Whatever situations we met, whatever experiences we got, all these experiences have dumped in subconscious mind. And then the subconscious mind started working automatically. We are not able to give the right instructions to Genie because the Genie is so confused. We have a lot of limiting beliefs. We have a lot of limiting instructions that are given to Genie. And that's why we are not able to achieve success. Take any area of your life: health, wealth, relationships, money, career, whatever it is. Everywhere, if you are finding difficulty, that means you're not able to guide your subconscious mind. And there's a big science about it because the way you program your subconscious mind, it gets programmed. If you're not able to program your subconscious mind, somehow it gets the programming from outside. And once it gets programmed, it works automatically. It will not ask you whether it is right or wrong. Because your subconscious mind do not even know whether it is imagination or whether it is real. Because see, a lot of times we worry about those things which we don't even experience. We think about future. What will happen if corona comes? What will happen if my job goes? And we keep on worrying about it. Why? Because once the thought goes into subconscious mind, it keeps thinking about the same thing 24 by 7. And when you want to control your life, first you need to understand the science behind subconscious mind. Greatest scientists, greatest creative thinkers, they use the power of subconscious mind in order to get the things, in order to discover the things. The same way, a lot of happy people like Swami Vivekananda, Gautam Buddha, a lot of enlightened people, they have understood the power of subconscious mind. So friends, whether you talk about law of attraction, whether you talk about law of karma or whatever, your thoughts, your words, your beliefs and your actions, they guide your life. So how to control my thoughts, how to control my beliefs, how to control my actions, how to control my words, how to change this? Thoughts, emotions, feelings, words, actions, all these things are guiding you. So you have to take the chance. You need to understand the science behind this programming. Because once the programmer is right, the programming will be right. And once the programming will be right, you will get the results. And all we want is results. Because we have come here to this world to experience the joy, to experience the happiness, to experience that wonderful life that we always looking for. So I'm coming up with a free 2 hours workshop or 2 hours completely activity based workshop where I will be teaching you how actually subconscious mind works. So please join for this workshop. This would be on May 1st and you will be getting details very soon. So register for this workshop and see how you can change your subconscious mind. Because I'm going to take 21 days completely activity based workshop so that because anything which is done for 21 days, it goes into your subconscious mind and you start thinking about it. So friends, take charge of your life, understand the science, understand the power of your subconscious mind, and go for smart work. You don't have to work really hard to achieve success, to achieve great results in your life. Once you understand this power, you just get into the right direction. You have the antenna, and the antenna moves in the right direction. The right channel, right frequency comes into your life. So you will understand a lot of things, like how to remove these negative thoughts from our mind, how to be always positive, and what is the power of affirmations, what is law of attraction, and how we can use subconscious mind to 100% effectively for every area of your life, and how to get solutions to our problems, because your subconscious mind is so powerful. It gives you immediately results once you start sowing good seeds, right seeds. Once you start sowing the right seeds, you will be getting right results in the form of your results in your life. So start experiencing the science, start using this science, and start getting benefits from this science. So I'll be seeing you in the live workshop on 1st May. Don't miss it. Do come for this workshop. See you in the live workshop. Thank you so much.